Alert Weather.
Well, dramatic change to our weather. We've been seeing the rain, the clouds, the cooler temperatures today across much of eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. The only exception being central Idaho. Really yet to see the good showers getting into Lemhi and Custer County. We're getting it towards Stanley right now, but more of that wet weather slowly trying to get up towards Salmon. Hopefully we get some water up there on the Hayden fire and the other fires burning across the central part of the state. But as we take a look right now on First Alert Viper radar, fairly dry conditions at the moment for the Snake River Plain, but we have more wet weather on the way. Right now we have a good amount of rain over Island Park and West Yellowstone, also falling through Yellowstone National Park, with a couple sprinkles still in areas around Madison and Fremont County. Going south here, a couple spotty thunderstorms starting to take hold across southern and southeastern Idaho, but all of this stuff currently in Utah, coming out of Salt Lake City, getting over Ogden right now and moving towards Brigham. This is all heading towards us right now. So we even had a few strong thunderstorms. There's still a severe thunderstorm warning for the cell that's currently getting over Evanston, Wyoming. So this stuff's going to be with us tonight, and then down the road, more wet weather on the way with that monsoonal plume. We got 66 right now in Idaho Falls. Winds out of the northeast at 13 miles an hour. Fairly cloudy right now at the Pocatello Farm Bureau Sky Cam, and we're at 70 degrees. Winds at 14 miles per hour. Moving over to the higher elevations, Jackson, some showers earlier. At the moment, it's dry and overcast with 59 degrees. Sunshine and warm temperatures in Salmon right now with highs into the lower 90s this afternoon. We got to 87 right now. That's what we have currently at 87, but we were hitting close to 90 just a bit ago. And again, dry weather, smoky conditions in central Idaho, and we're going to try to work on some showers later on tonight, but more towards this weekend. And we are stuck with this weather pattern all the way through, even into Saturday and Sunday, as we have this moisture working in from the south, and we expect to see some clouds and gusty winds at times with a few rumbles of thunder. So later tonight on that Vipercast around 11 o'clock, this is the stuff that's currently in Utah getting overhead later tonight after sunset. We have a couple late night thunderstorms possible, and there's even enough energy in the atmosphere we might even see some thunderstorms tomorrow morning just to get the day started. You see those little splotches of red and yellow there in Vipercast. Yeah, that's indicating that the atmosphere is primed for some thunderstorm action tomorrow. A lot of the showers and thunderstorms, though, by tomorrow afternoon will be focused more towards western Wyoming. But then look at the stuff. It starts to rotate into the Snake River Plain and portions of central Idaho as we have a touch of low pressure overhead. That's going to continue into Friday as well with some showers and thunderstorms. You still manage to squeeze in a little sunshine at times in between the clouds, but we're going to be sending most of this moisture to the north for Saturday morning, and then for Saturday afternoon we'll see the moisture starting to wrap back in here. The same thing for Sunday in your 8-day. Upper 60s for Montpelier tomorrow, lower 70s in Preston, and the upper 60s in Lava. 73 for St. Anthony, lower 70s in Swan Valley and Jackson. And again, it's going to be a soggy forecast off and on in Jackson even through the weekend, with highs into the upper 70s on Saturday, back down to lower 70s by Sunday and Monday. Dry, windy weather towards the end of the 8-day. Rexburg 73 for Friday, 78 for Saturday, and the mid-70s for Sunday in Rexburg, with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms to take us all the way towards Monday with the partly cloudy outlook. Upper 80s tomorrow in Salmon, but the 70s for Mackay and Arco. 8-day forecast in Salmon showing us quite a bit of wet weather trying to get into central Idaho. Fingers crossed here for Saturday and Sunday over the Hayden fire. We're going to have highs into the 70s for Sunday, stuck with the 70s for Monday, then temperatures try to warm back up into next week. Moving over to the Snake River Plain, I got Idaho Falls at 73, 76 in Pocatello, 80 for Burley tomorrow in the eastern reaches of the Magic Valley, and in that Blackfoot 8-day forecast, highs in the 70s. Scattered showers and thunderstorms for the next couple of days under a partly to mostly cloudy outlook. We have highs in the upper 70s for Sunday and Monday. Dry, windier weather for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday towards the end of the 8-day into the middle to late part of next week there. Pocatello, 81 degrees for Friday, mid-80s for Saturday, and the lower 80s for Sunday. Idaho Falls, we got highs here at 73 for tomorrow, upper 70s for Friday. Then we're going to peak around the lower 80s for Saturday. Not a complete washout for the weekend. I want to stress this. You're still going to manage some sunshine this weekend, but it's going to be interspersed with a few thunderstorms in there for Saturday afternoon especially. Then we pull in some drier, windier weather towards the end of the 8-day forecast, with temperatures trying to rebound closer towards 90. Todd, we'll send it over to you.
All right, Michael, let's talk a little bit more about that Hayden